In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts in Canva. Whether you're a graphic designer, a small business owner, or just someone who loves creating beautiful visuals, adding unique fonts to your toolkit can really set your designs apart. So let's dive right in and make that happen together. To start, make sure you're on your Canva homepage. From there, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the brand section. Clicking on this will bring you to the page where all your branding tools are conveniently organized. Once you're on your brand page, scroll down until you find the brand fonts section. This is where all the magic happens. Canva provides this feature to help you maintain consistency across your designs using your own brand's fonts. Next, you'll want to look for the option that says Upload a Font. It's usually right there in the brand fonts section. Clicking this button will open a dialog box that allows you to search your computer for the font file you're eager to upload. Remember, Canva supports certain file types like OpenType, OTF, TrueType, TTF, and Web Open Font, WOF. After clicking Upload a Font, a window will pop up prompting you to choose a file from your computer. Navigate through your folders to find the font file you'd like to upload. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it. Following this, Canva will ask you to confirm the upload by displaying a message that says, "Yes, upload away." Go ahead and click this button to proceed. This confirmation step is essential as it ensures you acknowledge any licensing responsibilities associated with using the font. Now, you'll need to be a little patient as Canva uploads your font. This shouldn't take too long, but the speed can depend on the size of the file and your internet connection. Once the upload is complete, you'll receive a confirmation notification that your font is successfully added to your library. With your font uploaded and ready to go, you're all set to start using it in any of your designs. Simply go to your Canva editor, and when setting up your text, you'll find your newly uploaded font in the Text Options drop-down menu. Using your custom font can help to keep your projects consistent with your brand style, or just add a personal touch to any creative work you're doing. And there you have it. Uploading fonts to Canva is as easy as that. This process allows you to personalize your designs even more, ensuring that your visual content communicates the exact style and message you want. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing on Canva.